Hi girls, guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT and we are back with another one. Y'all, today is Monday, Martin Luther King's birthday. By the time you see this video, of course it's going to be after that. Hopefully not too far after. I'm thinking this might be on this week's Saturday's video. So more than likely on all socials I will post happy Martin Luther King's birthday to the King himself, the one who basically paved the way for people like us to even be able to socialize on social media. Y'all, this weekend was very, very restful for me. I don't know how it was for you guys. And I'm actually going to I'm trying to figure out how to put this camera on so that it's not showing so much. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but if y'all see this hanging, that's why. I've been watching a lot of my other videos, and for some reason, the volume is extremely low, even with this mic, or it might be where I'm watching it. Sometimes I watch it on TV in my bedroom, which for some reason that TV does not do great quality sounds with YouTube for some reason, which is super, super weird. Anyway, this is going to be a short video. Remember when if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video, share the video with your friends, all that good stuff. Now that we have the logistics out the way, I don't know why you guys not subscribing to the channel. Like, the channel is like, I'm giving y'all all this content, all this free juicy content. And actually, I do have another channel which is called More Shade Tea. I have not been posting a lot on that channel because I've been kind of getting stories together and see the different avenues I want to take with that channel. But I'm thinking that I might have to do another channel. I know, crazy, and just dedicate that more into interviewing and that sort of thing, because now that I kind of got my rhythm going with it, I'm just going to be honest with y'all. I do care about the numbers, but for me, I feel like you have to have a passion for something in order for it to just, build into something else. So for me, I like giving content. I like sharing knowledge. I think I'm at a phase in my life where even though the end goal is to get monetized, like nobody wants to give content for free. Who does that? I definitely know people are watching the video. I can show you guys the analytics and see, like, if I have like over 1,000 views, I should have over 1,000 subscribers. I'm just saying, but I mean, it's cool. I know people watching. I definitely post. Y'all, my eczema is acting up today for some reason. I definitely post updates on Twitter. I post updates on what am I trying to say? Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Now, I'm not new to social media, y'all. I've had blogs in the past, which I am going to start revamping my blog back up. I do have websites and all that good stuff. I'm saying all that to say that for the past couple of years, in my mind, when I should have really been honing on one specific thing, I've been kind of like everywhere. Y'all know in 2020 when we had the PD, I'm just going to say that because I don't want any buzzwords in here to, if this ever get monetized, to demonetize it. I started writing a journal, right? I'm going somewhere with this, so kind of follow me here. And during that time when I started writing a journal, I kind of weaned off it for a while, and then I came back. And then I looked at what I've written, and I was like, I cannot believe I wrote that. But here's the thing, your girl is a writer, and I do have some content coming out. Y'all, your girl been writing, your girl been working, so look out for that as well. I said all that to say that I had a light bulb moment, and I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect time to do XYZ. And I'm saying XYZ because XYZ is going to turn into ABC. Cool. It's coming, y'all. I'm going to give y'all some more information on that. I know y'all like, what the hell is she talking about? I'm saying it for a reason. So I'm just saying, look out for that. And you're not going to know when it comes out if you're not subscribed and you don't have your notifications. Duh. How are you going to know when I put out new content if you don't have your notification, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't shared it with your friends? Well, you probably don't need to share it with your friends in order for that to happen, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, this video is going to be about scents, y'all. Y'all remember I told y'all in the last video, go ahead and watch the last video. Y'all got to get caught up on the video so y'all know what's going on. I'm into scents now, and a lot of the scents that I'm into are the Arabian scents. I had to get a thumbnail, y'all. So this is going to be a short haul. I bought this. I saw it. Actually, if you watched the last videos, I spoke about how I got into the Arabian scents. Go ahead and check that out. But I started buying Arabian scents and get most of my knowledge from Pinterest. Pinterest is kind of one of those sites where you get everything is algorithm based, but you'll get pins based off of things that you look at. So I'm looking at scents, Arabian scents. This popped up on my algorithm. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it. It's actually called Cocoa Musk. I don't know if you guys can see that. And for the life of me, I have no idea what that means up at the top. But it is by Al Rehab. I think that's the name of the company. Now, I'm not a big chocolate smelling fan, a fan of chocolate smelling items. I did open this box before and I did smell it. Here's the actual bottle. Now, when I sprayed this, and I'm not going to spray it on me now because I just sprayed some other ones that I have in here, but it's actually chocolate based. So if you like the smell of like chocolate, vanilla, those type of scents, go ahead and check that out. Now, y'all know in my videos I like to do my reviews and my rates and give my honest I just hit the camera, y'all. Honest opinion, right? My lip is a little dry today, so let me just put some of this on right quick. I hate coming on camera looking ashy smashy. Anyway, if I had to rate this, y'all know I do my rates from 1 to 10. I will probably only give this a 6. And the reason being is because even though I don't like the smell of chocolate, I know that these type perfume for my pH balance and how my body responds to different scents, I can mix this with body spray and it will probably smell absolutely amazing. Now, I do have some scents in mind, and the one that I like the most as far as body scent, body sprays, I love the coconut body spray by Victoria's Secrets. That's one of my faves, which I haven't tried it yet, but I'm almost certain that it will mix well with this scent. Now, if you do decide to mix this scent with any other scent, like I said, a coconut or maybe a pineapple, I think it will fit better in the spring months. Spring is coming, y'all. It's not sprung yet. It hasn't sprung yet, but it's coming. And during that time of the year, we know we sweat a lot. So my only issue with the coconut and the it's actually called Choco Musk, is I don't know how that I think it will smell good, but this kind of gives me fall vibes. Mixing it with the coconut, I can't really picture in my nose sense how that will smell. I'm thinking it will smell good. Definitely going to try. I will let you guys know. Maybe I should have done it in this video, but that's how I get you guys coming back. So I can let you in the next video, let you in and let you know on the next video how this one actually smells. So I'm going to mix this with the coconut and I will let you guys know in the next video. Actually going to do another video today about another scent that I just received as well. But for this one, Cocoa Musk, try it, y'all. Like I said, I would give it, I don't even know what I just rated it, but probably about a 7. If you mix it, about a 7. 7 or 8 if you mix it with a different body spray. So we're definitely going to give it 7 or 8. Try it out. You guys might actually like Cocoa Musk. I'm not really a chocolate fan of spray on my body. I'm not really into like chocolate and things that have vanilla notes. The base on this is chocolate. Trust me. You don't even have to take it out the box. It literally smells like chocolate. Smell it again. Yeah, it's just giving chocolate. That's it. It's giving. I love chocolate. I just don't want to spray it all over my body. So it's definitely giving that. Again, if you like chocolate, more power to you. Try it out. I bought this from Amazon, and I believe, don't get me to lying, it was only $8. I'm almost 100% certain. I should be able to pull it up on my app now. If you guys watched the other videos, y'all know for some reason my Amazon app was tripping the other day when I was trying to pull up my past orders. But I figured out what it was. I needed to update the app, which was causing it not to respond to anything. So that's what that was about. The crazy thing is, hold up. May have passed it by. I'm sure I did. Here it goes. Okay. So this one, I actually bought this earlier this year on the 2nd. How much was it? Yes, it was for $8.49 on Amazon. And actually right now they do have a 20. Well, no. Yeah, so this is from the lightning deal. I did get on a lightning deal. The regular price is $10.99, and right now it's on a lightning deal with 23% off for $8.49. And yeah, it looks like they have a whole collection. They have the spray, they have the body spray. I mean, honestly, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but for those who love chocolate, check them out. Try to mix it with another scent and see how it smells for you. I will give you guys an update in the next video to let you know how it worked out for me by trying it with coconut. I'm thinking the coconut will probably be better. I'm going to just be honest. The best way for me to mix, what am I trying to say? Perfume that normally doesn't give my body that that I look for, that when you walk by it's like, I had a conversation with my family the other night, and we were talking about pass by smells. Everybody has a pass by smell. I don't care who you are. When you pass by somebody, your body smells like something. It either smells really, really good, or it might smell really, really bad. So with all that being said, I want my pass by smell to smell like roses and flowers, because I do wash my hands. I want my body to smell amazing. And I love, love, love body spray. I love perfume. I'm not saying that I have to put all that on, because I do wash ass, but I like that florally smell. I just love to smell good. And who doesn't like to smell good? So, y'all, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video, thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I see you guys looking. You know what? Keep watching. If you don't do anything else, if that subscribe button is so hard for you to push, just keep watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope everybody's having a beautiful Monday. If you're home from work, you don't have to work today. Thumbs up, rest, work on your business, do whatever makes you happy. Today is your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Something else I meant to say. Oh yeah, I do have another video coming up. So I'm going to separate these two. I'm trying to keep videos under a certain amount. I hate watching long videos myself. So my goal is 10 minutes for each video, but I realized I kind of run over to 15. Story time is going to be a little different. Those are going to be longer videos. And I do have a story time that's coming up that I want to let you guys know about. It's going to be a little emotional. So we'll get to it when we get to it. But, and I don't know if I want to do it today, because there's a lot going on. I don't want to get emotional. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Always remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.